All right, appraisers, this is Brandon again with Choice Valuation, and in this Spark Spotlight video, I'm going to be going over the depreciation options within the cost data side of Spark. So as we're on this cost data side, which you can see up here in the top left, I've filled out most everything for grabbing my cost data, but I still want to enter in my depreciation options. So to do that, I've got physical, external, and functional options that I can type in. So the first thing I'm going to do is type in, I'm going to start with the easy ones, which is external and functional. So basically, you can either type in a dollar amount or a percentage. So if I type in 10,000, I tab out of the field, you can see depreciation over here. It's grayed out because we don't have any cost data results in here yet, but it went ahead and updated the depreciation. You can see my depreciated cost is negative 10,000 since nothing else is there. Or if I want to, I can type in a percentage. So let's say I want to be 10%. Then nothing shows up here because it's 10% of nothing yet because we don't know what it's 10% of until we get the cost data. So I typed in my 10%. Same thing applies to functional depreciation. I'll go ahead and type in $10,000 here, leave my external at 10%. Now for physical depreciation, a little different. First, you can type in your percent of physical depreciation that you want to apply. That's pretty simple and straightforward, just works like these other two. Or I can use the straight line method by typing in my effective age, and Spark will automatically divide by the lifespan in order to come up with a physical depreciation percent. Again, this is just using the straight line method. So to do that, I can just type in my effective age, which will say it's 12. And it automatically calculated it out to 20%. So an effective age is 12 is 20%. Now, keep in mind, that's using a lifespan of 60, which by default is what Spark uses, but you can change that to whatever you want it to be. So as I move my mouse over here to hover over this I here for information, it will tell me my lifespan is currently set to 60 years. And to change that, I just click physical depreciation over on the left. So I'm going to click physical depreciation. Makes it clear to me what this is, commonly between 60 and 70 years. I'm just going to change that to, let's say, 65. And I'm going to hit go back. It saves it. It updates. My percentage went from 20% to 18.46. And so that's essentially how that works. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Now, when I go and click Get Cost Data, it's pulling it from dwelling cost. Everything's updated. All my information was applied here. So when I hover over depreciation, it'll show me physical is 18.46, which is 33,000. External is 10%, which is 18,000. And functional is 5.52%, which is the $10,000 that I typed in right here. And again, I can change any of these numbers, and this information over here will update on the fly. So if you know what, my effective age is actually 10. I change that. It updates my depreciation. I change my lifespan back down to 60. It'll also update, and the same with anything else. I can just change them on the fly. And also, by the way, when I change my percentage, it will update my effective age as well. So if I say it's actually 50%, my effective age just changed to 30, which is half of the 60 lifespan. And that's it. Thanks, everybody, for watching the video.